Hello, it's Saturday the 16th of September, and in this video I'm going to pick some Lotto numbers based on this chart, which is a chart of the numbers in terms of the frequency and how long it is since they've been drawn. Now, I'm only looking as far back as draw 2066 because that's when the number of numbers went up from 49 to 59. So, looking at this chart, you can see that the most overdue number is 48, the most frequent number is 14 and 41. They've occurred 29 times. Now if you look at the draw history, you can see that recently they've been using sets of balls 5, 6, 7 and 8. And they've been using Merlin and Arthur for a while, and now they've changed to Lancelot at the moment. So that means that we can narrow down the criteria to, let's just have a look at the chart for that one machine, Lancelot. That's what it looks like at the moment. 6 and 48 never been drawn with Lancelot. 16 most frequent. Now we can narrow it down even further by just looking at the sets of balls that they seem to be using at the moment. And that's what it looks like now. Number 16 steaming ahead. 48, 6, 15 and 17 not even been drawn yet with that machine. Let's look at the chart for all the machines, but just these 4 sets of balls. Since draw 2066, 58 and 52 the most frequent, number 38 the most overdue. So what's going to happen tonight? I don't know. I know they'll probably be using Lancelot, but I don't know what other machine they might use with it, because if you notice they seem to use 2 machines at a time, and they seem to alternate between them. So you've got Merlin, Arthur, and so on. Last time it was Merlin and Lancelot, alternating between those 2 machines. Before that it was Arthur and Guinevere. So now that it's changed to Lancelot, I don't know what machine they're going to use with it. So we'll just look at the chart for Lancelot and these 4 sets of balls. So if you want to go for the most overdue number, you've got a choice of 4. If you want to go for the most frequent number, that's that one. So if you look at the last draw, draw number 2135, so between draw 2066 and 2135, that's quite a considerable gap. And it's also quite a considerable gap from draw 2135 up to draw 2267. But remember, we're only looking at the draws in which Lancelot has been used. So really, the gap is just 2 draws between these. A drawer here, 1 drawer here. The number of drawers isn't really all that many. So I really don't know what numbers to pick. So it's up to you what you choose. What I might do is just look at the whole chart for all sets of balls and all machines used since 2066. And if you look, number 54 is the most overdue for its frequency. Obviously 48 is more overdue, but 54 occurs nearly 3 times more often. So I'm going to pick number 54. And to choose what number I pick with 54, look at this chart, the chart for 54. Now looking at this chart, looks to me like maybe 57. But also, if you notice, these 2 numbers are also numbers that have never been drawn with Lancelot. Since draw 2066. So I'm going to pick 54 and 50. I mean 54 and 6. I don't know why I said 50. Maybe I should pick 50, because I don't know why I said 50 then. Strange how that happens, but normally when something like that happens and a number just pops into my head, I've got to pick it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a 2 number up pick on these 2 and a 3 number on these 3. So that's my prediction for tonight's draw. This is what the chart looks like at the moment. So how you pick your numbers, that's up to you. So thanks for watching and good luck in tonight's draw.